So, Activision Blizzard, I've been hearing about the lawsuits you're in. And to be honest, if I was you, like right now, give it up. Lose these lawsuits and get your shit together. And make sure those demands are heard from your employees, the employees you have outside of your company, but also in social media as well. To me, this is not okay and not acceptable. All employees, all the voices should be heard. Every voice should matter. Like everyone should be treated with respect and not be treated like shit, from what I've been hearing. Like, give it up, get your shit together, and just work on the games. Unless you want to go down to be that company, that shit company, to where they go so bad to where they just fade out of existence. Y'all are literally hurting the games, and y'all hurting the Overwatch League too. Like, just give up and get your act together. Like if I was you, just do it now.